Today we just cleaned some more engine parts for the Camaro. So here's some time lapse. We were going to do some work on the exhaust, but I don't have a muffler yet, so I can't cut the other exhaust pipes that are in the truck mocked up. I can't finalize the length. I also ran a duct tape, so I can't bend the other pipes. I was going to clean a piston. I don't have any paper towels, and I kind of need those. So we just cleaned the intake for a little while, and it's kind of a lame daily update, but it's an update at least. Yeah. I'll try to get some paper towels tomorrow so we can clean another piston, because I know that's very exciting. And then I guess we can, I don't know, because it's going to be a little while till I get that muffler. It's going to be probably a week, so we'll have to find other things to do. There are other parts of the shop that need to be cleaned, so maybe we'll do that. But that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow.